a science student. You'll opting for, obviously you'll be opting for BTech, right? Being a girl, most it's not I'm judging the girls. Basically, I've seen this thing that most of the girls opt for BTech CS only. They don't go for mechanical. Don't go for civil. Either they choose for electronic communication. They choose for electrical.
So the external stress taken already.
So how we are going to raise with our hands?
Bakshi gave 211 C, I guess. And
Right, so in today's time, you have ML, AI, IoT. You have some certifications, CCIE, you have CCNE, you have CCNA, you have CCNAP, you have cloud computing. These are from the branches which are at the boom list. The demand is high. Data scientists we have. This is the future. The demand is high, the employees are less.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. The demand is too high. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. This is Cisco certification of Internet of expert, data scientist. This is cloud computing. If you are opting for BTech CS, you must seek for any of them, any one of them opportunities in life. You have neural networks. See, after the Brexit, I don't know you know about Brexit or not. After Brexit, UK, United Kingdom, and Europe had got separated. Right? UK has got separated from Europe now. So the demand of coders, developers in United Kingdom is very high. So if you are opting, just suppose you do BTech, or if you are good in coding, you are good in developing something. So you can search you have a job opportunity. That is very high. They are demanding, and from only 2 countries they pick up the developers. One is China, second is India. Sorry, this one. What is your actually aim? What do you want to do in your life?
BTech with AI.
BTech with AI. Computer science, it means computer science. You have to choose a field. In computer science, you have to choose a field that you are going to opting for AI, artificial intelligence. Yours? You are from commerce, right? What's your aim? To be a CA? But I think you don't have maths. You have IT, no? So what you are going to do in your life? You must have thought something that I'll be becoming this. My aim is this. My ambition is this. Okay, business. That's good. Go on. Actually, you have not thought till now. The ambition, the aim is not clear till now. But you have taken the path. The goal is not clear, but you have chosen the path. Please be louder, Kanak. IIT. Again, see, IIT is basically an institution. Which course are you going to opt for in that institution? That matters.
So like physics में आना तो like graduation में physics का subject होना चाहिए.
Sir, I will opt for a future ready subject. So that I don't suffer. Because future ready subject.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing CS with it.
See, CS or mechanical. Dear, let me tell you one thing. There are no jobs for mechanical students. Jobs नहीं मिलती mechanical students. ऐसे ही घूमते रहते हैं. The cutoff for CS is very high, no doubt, but the scope, the future, the salary package, everything is very high in CS. Yours? Digital animation. Okay. Chalo, we'll continue. I think only 3 students are here in the class today. Okay, and in the online classes we have 22. Great. Alright, so we are going to discuss some of the questions. Just give me a Chalo, we have this side. I'll be asking you one thing. Any doubts? You have studied string manipulations. You haven't studied string manipulations. No? So we are going to study string manipulations today, right? String manipulations is a chapter which has been deleted from your syllabus, but it is quite important because you use that chapter everywhere in your 11th and 12th. String. What do you mean by string? Students, am I audible to all of you? Students who are taking the class online, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you mean by string? String? You have seen the string literals? You have seen the string? Last one. Last one.
The string store literal values.
String stores literal values. What kind of literals can a string stores? Is it possible to store a float value in a string? What is a string? Simple. String is nothing but the collection of characters. What is string? It is nothing but the collection of characters. What are characters?
And numbers.
Characters could be symbols. Characters could be numbers. Characters could be your alphabets. Characters could be your special symbols as well. Character could be a space as well. Anything which is enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes is a string. You must have seen about string literal. You must have studied about string literals. You studied in the previous class as well. And what do you mean by string literal? The string literals are nothing but the values which are enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes. Those are your string literals. For example, similarly, you can have triple quotes, but triple quotes are basically used for multi-line string and comments. They are used for multi-line comments, multi-line comments and as well as multi-line strings.
Double we cannot do multi-line. Multi-line we cannot do multi-line strings with double in words.
You cannot do what?
Multi-line strings with double in words.
No, you cannot do multi-line strings with double in words. Right? So, strings are nothing but the collection of characters. Suppose I am taking a string which is str1 equals to hello. This is a string. str1 is hello. This hello in the memory is actually stored like this. If you have studied string manipulations, you must know about indexing of elements. You have seen indexing of elements in the list manipulations? You haven't seen? No issues.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's
Exactly.